It's Team Woods with another meal that heals. Right now we're going to do some cabbage. Going to get a little boil on this cabbage real quick. Alright, so now the cabbage has been boiling for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to add in some onions and some cilantro. Stir that up a bit. And I'm only going to let it boil for about another 3 to 5 minutes. I just want to reduce some of the cooking time from the cabbage because this is going to go in the slow cooker once it's done boiling here. Alright, so I took my cabbage off the heat and added 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to do about, that's about less than a 1/4 cup of oil. Alright, so to this I'm going to add some cilantro, some garlic, and onions. Stir that up a little bit. Alright, so now what I got is some chicken pieces. These come off of thigh. When I cook chicken thighs, a lot of times I'll cut the meat away from it, debone it basically, and the remaining pieces I'll in this case I baked it. You know, I took the skin off, baked the skin, so this has chicken skin, you know, chicken meat off the bone. Yeah, so looking real good here, looking real good. Smelling good too. Alright, so we got our chicken pieces and garlic and onions, cilantro. We got that all doing real good. So now what I'm going to start doing, I have my cabbage over here in another pot. I'm just going to start scooping it over. Stirring that up as it goes. Alright, so now we're going to add a little flavor to it. We're going to take some orange and just squeeze some orange juice in there. Add a little flavor. Alright, next we're going to add some black garlic here. Compliments my partner Scott Fain. I told him I like my garlic black, so this is what he got me. Next we're going to add some black pepper. Some more blackness up in here to go with this purple. Next I'm going to add a little dash of some brown cinnamon. I'm going to add too much brown cinnamon. Just a little dusting. I wanted to have that Mediterranean feel. So I'm also going to add some cumin. Got my cumin here. Just add just a little bit of that as well. Not too much. Stir that up real nice. Yeah, this up here is smelling like we somewhere next to an ocean. Can you picture it? Alright, so I'll put this in the slow cooker now, and I'm gonna let it cook for a little while longer. Actually, it's ready now. After I get done doing these dishes, I'm gonna add some to a bowl and have some right now because it's actually done. But this is a meal for my mom, so I know she like hers more tender, because right now they're more so firm, the cabbage. But that's how I like it, you know. But I don't want to overcook it in the pan, or cook it too fast, I should say. So that's why it's going to go into the crock pot, cook it on low for about 2 hours, and it should be just right. All right, y'all. Team Woods, meals that heal.